Located in Palma on the Spanish island of Mallorca, the Es Baluard Museu is a museum of contemporary art that opened in 2004. Designed by Garcia-Ruiz Arquitectos and SCT Estudio de Arquitectura, the museum is within the Renaissance fortress walls overlooking the Bay of Palma. The design adds a series of parallel white concrete walls that are held back from the existing fortress. Ramps, stairs, and walkways connect multiple levels inside and outside. Details contrast old and new construction. Openings make the sea visible beyond. Nearby, try Santagloria for a pastry and a coffee during your visit to Palma.